Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 15.2 question number 2. The dimensions of a cuboid are 5 cm, 3 cm and 2 cm. Draw three different isometric sketches of this cuboid. Right? Let's draw. That is, length is 5, breadth is 3 and height is 2 cm. Let us take, suppose if we take the length as 5 cm. Let us take length as 5. That means 5 unit. Right? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 unit we have taken, right? And breadth is 2 unit. Breadth is 2 unit, that is 1 and 2, right? And height is 3 unit. Height is 3 unit, that is 1, 2, 3, right? In the same way, you take 2 unit breadth, 1, 2, right? And join this one, that is 1, 2, 3, right? Here also you take 3 unit height, 1, 2, 3, right? And here you take 5 units, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here you take 2 unit, that is 1, 2. Again you take 5 unit, that is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right? This is one way, right? Now let us take this type of one cube is, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 unit, right? And this height is 3 unit and breadth is 2 unit. This is one type of cuboid. If we take another cuboid like this, let us draw. This one is, this length is 5 in this direction, that is here we are taking, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? And breadth is 3 unit, that is 1, 2, 3, and parallel to this 3 unit, 1, 2, 3, right? And height, width we have taken 2, this is 2, this in this direction it is 2, and height is 3, we have to take 3, that is 1, 1, 2, 3. Parallel we have to take 3, 1, 2 and 3, right? This is 2 unit, 1, 2, this is 3 unit, right? And this one is 1, 2, this unit is the height is 3 unit again, 1, 2 and 3, and this height is also 3 unit, 1, 2, 3, right? Now if we draw this one is same, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, this one is 4, right? Now here you take, this unit is 3 unit, 1, 2, 3, right? Now if this one is 1, this one is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 4 and 5, right? And here you also take, that is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? Here you see, this is the length is 5 unit, breadth is 2 unit, and height is 3 unit, 1, 2, 3, 3 unit. This was one type of keyboard. This is one type of keyboard. You take another type of keyboard, that is, if you take height as 5, right? Let's take height as 5. Let us take this one is height. If we take height as 5, let us take the height is 5. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? This is 5 unit. Height is 5 unit, and we take 3 unit as breadth. Height is 5 unit, right? Height is 5. Let us take 3 unit as this one. It is 1, 2 and 3 unit, right? 3 unit. Again height is 5 unit. Let us take 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? And if we take this one as 3 unit, 3 unit is 1, 2 and 3, right? Now let us take this as 2 unit. Let us take this 2 unit, 1 and 2. Here also take 2 unit. Take 2 unit here, that is 1 and 2, right? And here also take 3 unit, that is 1, 2, 3, right? Now draw this parallel. This is as this is also 2 unit. Let us take 2 unit from here, that is 1, 1, 2 unit, right? And it is 5 unit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is here from here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? Here you see that the height is 5. Height is 5 unit and the breadth is 2 unit. This one, and this is 3 unit. That means we have taken the keyword in this method in this way, right? There are 3 methods or 3 sketches in different isometric sketches of this keyword. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.